Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the League of Legends error code 004, and this is an installation error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is click on Windows key and R key at the same time on your keyboard. So this is going to pop up. Then you're going to type in CMD, and then you're going to basically paste this in ipconfig/flush DNS. This basic space/flush DNS. This basically just like clears the cache/DNS. And once you do that, you can go ahead and press enter, and then you can go ahead and close this window. Then you can open up Riot Client and check to see if the error code has been fixed. Go ahead and play the game. Make sure that if the error code has been fixed, then you're good to go. However, if it has not been fixed, the second method you guys can try doing is simply just delete, like uninstall League of Legends and then reinstall it. And if you don't know how to do that, you can do that again by clicking Windows and R at the same time, and then type app wiz.cpl in. From here, click OK, and then from here, just look for League of Legends, right click on it and hit uninstall. And yeah, so once you do that, you should be good to go. And obviously, when you reinstall it, the error code should have been fixed and you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.